What if I told you that you could create viral YouTube shorts using AI and grow your channel to 100K plus subscribers in just a few months? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. There's a YouTube channel called Duck Quest that gained over 800,000 subscribers with just 17 videos. That's right, less than 20 videos, and they already have a massive audience. Now, here's the best part. You don't need any special skills or experience. You don't even have to show your face or record your voice. Everything is done using free AI tools. Let's find out. Step 1. Crafting the story and image prompts. Every viral Duck Quest story follows a simple and exciting formula. It's always about a brave little duck helping another animal, but with a fun twist. Here's how these stories usually go. A duck sees an animal in trouble. This could be a kitten, rabbit, or even a baby turtle stuck in danger. The duck helps, but then a bigger danger appears. This is usually a hawk, eagle, or crocodile coming to attack. The duck does something heroic to save the day. Maybe it knocks over a rock, splashes water, or distracts the enemy just in time. A happy ending. The rescued animal and the duck become friends, and they live happily ever after. For example, imagine a kitten drowning in a river while a crocodile swims toward it. Suddenly, a smart duck knocks a rock into the water, scaring the crocodile away. You don't need to write these stories yourself. AI can do it for you. Copy and paste a simple story idea into ChatGPT. Ask it to break the story into scenes. Change the animals for fresh, new ideas. This way, you'll never run out of creative stories. Step 2. Creating AI images using Leonardo AI and Pixverse. Now that we have our story, it's time to bring it to life with AI-generated images. You don't need to be an artist. Leonardo AI and Pixverse AI can do all the work for you. Here's how to create high-quality images for your video. Go to Leonardo AI and sign up using Google or an email. You get 150 free tokens every day. Choose Phoenix Style 1.0. This setting creates bright and detailed images that look great in videos. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. This is the perfect size for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Paste your image prompts from ChatGPT into Leonardo AI and click Generate. Download and save the images to your device for editing later. Pro tip: if you run out of free tokens, don't worry. You can create a new account for more free tokens. Use alternative tools like Pixverse AI or Puman AI to generate more images. With AI, you can create endless stunning visuals without spending any money. Step 3. Turning AI images into animated videos. Now that we have our AI-generated images, it's time to turn them into an animated video. We will use Pixverse AI, a powerful tool that can bring your images to life. Here's how you can do it. Go to Pixverse AI and sign up. New users get 100 free credits. Upload your AI-generated images. These will be the scenes of your video. Add scene descriptions. This helps Pixverse create smooth and natural movements for your animation. Click Generate and let Pixverse do the magic. In just a few minutes, your images will transform into an engaging animated story. Download your animated video and save it for editing. Pro tip: if you run out of free credits, don't worry. You can. Switch to Halo AI, another tool that works well for animations. Upgrade your Pixverse plan for more features and higher quality results. Bonus: want a free Pixverse subscription? Comment on this video, and I'll pick one lucky winner to get it for free. Step 4. Enhancing video quality with CapCut. Now that you have your animated video, it's time to make it look professional. Even though AI-generated videos are great, sometimes they need a little boost in quality. That's where CapCut Upscaler comes in. Here's how to enhance your video using CapCut's magic tools. Go to CapCut and open the AI Upscaler tool. It's free and easy to use. Upload your animated video. The tool will analyze it and improve the resolution. Let CapCut enhance the sharpness and quality. It smooths out rough edges, making the video look crisp and clear. Download the improved version to your device, ready for the final editing. If you used Pixverse AI for animation, you might not need this step. But if you feel your video could be sharper, CapCut can make a huge difference. With AI-powered upscaling, Your video will look more polished, high quality, and professional, perfect for grabbing attention and keeping viewers engaged. Step 5. Editing the final video. Adding effects and sounds. Now that your animated video is ready, it's time to make it exciting and engaging. A well-edited video keeps viewers hooked, and with a few simple steps, you can turn your video into a masterpiece. Here's how to edit your video using CapCut. Import your animated video into CapCut. Drag it onto the timeline to start editing. Remove any watermarks if needed to make your video look clean. Add smooth transitions and effects to keep the video flowing naturally. Use fade-in and fade-out effects for smooth scene changes. Try light flashes or zoom-in effects to add drama. Use a quaking effect to create suspense in intense moments. Now, let's add sound effects and background music. 4. Use royalty-free music from YouTube's audio library or AI-generated tracks. 5. Enhance your video with sound effects like duck quacks to match the animation, water splashes for action scenes, soft background music to create an emotional impact. Finally, export your video in high quality and it's ready to go viral. Final pro tip: make your content stand out. If you want your videos to go viral, you need to make them unique. Adding small creative twists can help your content stand out from the rest. Here's how to make your stories more exciting. 1. Change the villain. Instead of a hawk or eagle, use a crocodile, giant snake, or even a sneaky fox. This makes the story feel fresh and different. 2. Add an unexpected plot twist. Maybe the kitten tricks the crocodile, or the duck gets help from another animal at the last moment. These surprises keep viewers engaged. 3. Use different settings. Instead of a river, maybe the rescue happens in a storm, a dark cave, or a frozen lake. A new setting adds variety and keeps things interesting. The more creative you are, the better your videos will perform. People love new and exciting stories. Did this guide help you? If yes, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI-powered video tips. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI-powered content creation tips. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.